Flash flood.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Dallas County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central
It's only
Daylight
for Dallas,
Time.
but it
At
doesn't matter.
8:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
This might be a PDS.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Garland, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Bulk Springs, University Park, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Highland Park, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Ovilla, and Cedar Hill State Park.
I don't know if this is the
Turn
one.
around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.